The future of smartphones is here, and Oppo is stepping up its game in 2025 with the all-new Oppo A6 Pro. Packed with cutting-edge features and a sleek design, this device is set to challenge the competition. Let's dive in and see if it has what it takes to stand out. First things first, let's talk about the design. Oppo has always focused on aesthetics, and the A6 Pro is no exception. With a premium glass back, ultra-slim bezels, and a curved-edge display, this phone looks and feels like a flagship, without the flagship price tag. And speaking of displays, the A6 Pro features a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means smoother scrolling, sharper visuals, and an immersive experience for gaming and media consumption. With HDR10+ support and a peak brightness of 1500 nits, this screen is built to impress, even in bright outdoor conditions. Security and convenience. Oppo's got you covered. The A6 Pro comes with an improved in-display fingerprint scanner and lightning-fast face unlock, making access seamless and secure. Now, let's talk cameras. The A6 Pro boasts a powerful quad-camera setup, headlined by a 108 megapixels primary sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, a 5 megapixels macro shooter, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, this phone delivers sharp and vibrant images. And video enthusiasts, take note, 4K video recording, AI-enhanced stabilization, and cinematic filters make your content look more professional than ever. Under the hood, the Oppo A6 Pro is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps. No problem. The phone also supports dynamic RAM expansion, giving you extra memory when needed. Gamers, rejoice. The Mali G68 GPU ensures smooth gameplay, and with Oppo's enhanced cooling system, you don't have to worry about overheating during long gaming sessions. Powering all this is a massive 5000 mAh battery with 67W Super VOOC fast charging. Oppo claims you can go from 0 to 50% in just 18 minutes. And yes, wireless charging is supported as well. Running on ColorOS 14 based on Android 14, the A6 Pro brings fluid animations, smart AI optimizations, and a clutter-free UI. Plus, with 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3, connectivity is as future-proof as it gets. So, is the Oppo A6 Pro the ultimate mid-range smartphone of 2025? With its stunning display, powerful cameras, and flagship-level performance, it's definitely a strong contender. What do you think? Would you pick this over other brands? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech updates. This is Apple Insider, and we'll see you in the next one.